Hi guys, I am Frank. Today you're going to see an unboxing video. Today I'm going to unboxing HDMI cable. The price of the product will be 199 rupees. It is an high-speed HDMI cable of speed of 512 Mbps. It is an HDMI to HDMI cable. Hey guys, let's see more about this product. First of all, it is a rounded cable and the cable length will be 1.5 meter and the product color will be black. Compatible devices will be TV and also it is suitable for computer, laptop, tablet and also for a gaming devices. And also the supported video features will be full HD support. Overall, it is a decent product. Finally, in the box you can see one HDMI to HDMI cable. Hey guys, thanks for watching.